This is our new IPL HHR machine. Firstly, we need to fill the water to the machine. There are 3 holes here: water inlet, water overflow, water outlet. When we fill the water, you must take off this cap. When the water is enough, the water will be come out from the water overflow hose. It needs 4 liters water. Normally, we need to fill the water to the machine 1 week one time and change the water per month. This hole is for water overflow. When I take off this cap, all the water will be come out. Okay, let's start the machine. Turn right. This is the emergency button. When we press it, the machine will be totally off. So normally we just use this key. Let's see the setting. It has 8 different languages. Let's see the English. Press enter. The dose function of the machine. Let's, for example, the hair removal. And see here, 1, 2, 3. That means you can save 3 customers' information because each customer's the energy setting is different. Then this is the first pass division, second pass division, third pass division, first pass interval, second pass interval. Here that it is the RF working time on the skin. Decrease, increase. Then here is the pass number. For example, we can set it 1, 2, 3 or more than. And this is the discharge interval from 1 to 4. Okay. And this is the recommended filter, the total counter of the handle. Then let's see this side. This side means the start and off. Okay. Then this the temperature of the machine. This is the charge. When we do the treatment, the light is on. That means here is charging. Then the last one, this side means the water level. If the machine is not enough, the water, this side will tell you. Okay, then here IPL setting. Normally we start it from 10, and the RF maximum is 20. Start it also from the 10. It must according to the customers, because each customer their feeling is different. So let us make it lower better. Then there are 5 stars here. That means the cooling system of here. So we must make this 5 stars on every time. Don't forget. Okay, now let's see the filter. Recommended is set for 0. Okay. It has a tips here. Please note this side. It should be going down. Then press it. Don't let it fall down the filter. Okay, we can see it. The start. You can set it here if you want to make it slowly. Okay, you see. This is the fast. Sorry. They are set it 4. You need to wait 4 seconds to the second pass. Okay. Others like screen rejuvenation, pigmentation, vascular, and acne treatment. The screen is same with the hair removal. Okay, now let's see the last screen, the OPT. This is the pass number setting. It is from 1 to 3, and the frequency decrease, increase from 1 to 4. Now let's try it. If I set 4, that means in 1 second it can give 2 passes. Okay, and if I set 5, that means in 1 second it can give 5 times. Okay, it can continue give the pass. Okay, now here is the counter of the reset and the energy of the OPT from 1 to 50. So normally we suggest it from the 15. And the cooling system, this is the total counter. Okay, now let's see how we do the treatment on the customer's face. Cooling gel is necessary to protect the customer's skin before the treatment.